How is this place the highest waterfall and we have not seen it from far away?
Okay.
That's huge.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, another episode of Exploring Nigeria.
So, today is Toge's birthday, and in celebration of her birthday, in commemoration of her birthday.
Celebration is correct now.
We don't feel right. Yeah, you said whatever we are doing for her birthday.
Whatever you are doing.
We're going to Kwara State. We're going to OWU. So we're in Ara now. Wow.
So one of my favorite things traveling through Nigeria is discovering and coming across new towns. I mean, not discovering, but you get the idea. It's just always nice to see people's existence in places you don't even think of.
A show stay.
So we be in Igban? Oh, that's even our customer place now. Little detour. It's time to get palm wine, palm water.
6-9. You walk on the mark bell. Show more Danny.
No.
You had about all you men.
I think it was 1,000 naira. 400 naira for the cake. If you don't come with your own, you have to buy. You almost full that 5-liter cake, but not full for 600 naira palm wine. I don't know if that's a good or bad deal, but it was plentiful for the two of us.
Palm wine. Road to Pete and get together right here.
What's in love?
Video. We're doing well,
I
sir.
want to see your papers, please. This part.
Yeah, sir. Thank you so much.
Safety.
I think Oluwa or something.
We're late, okay? Another city, another town. Okiapa. So we're currently in a promotion. We're about 1 hour, 10 minutes away, 41 more miles. The road trip is not complete without seeing this kind of things.
Yeah.
How many minutes away? 1 kilometer.
700 meters.
Is it looking like a kilometer away?
No. I was thinking like a village. Like a stack.
Green, like foresty.
But now I'm seeing like houses. Kind of a small town.
How is this place the highest waterfall and we have not seen it from far away?
As in. She disappoints me on my birthday. Oh, disappoint. I'm so surprised, Sha. Are we? Turn left, then turn right. There's no road.
Hey, I'm sure you know what I'm going to
The other place, yeah, what's it?
This was when he started to hit us that we was at the wrong place. Luckily for us, we saw an elderly woman that we could ask for direction.
Hey, I'm out. Yes, man. I just you do OWU Waterfall in Andoma. OWU. There. If you me, eh?
Oh my God.
What's he? All right, man. Hey, shege, man. Okay, man.
Do you feel like this map was so? Come on, tell you, I should need like 2 hours.
This was the beginning of everything that could go wrong starts to go wrong. While I was trying to make a reverse so we get out of this place, that was how the front tire got stuck. Right inside that mud there, that was where the car got stuck. Eventually we were able to like maneuver our way around.
What? My what be more? That's low.
Hey, shege, man.
Oh, come on.
Come on, speak to me, bro.
Bro, I think ó ti súnmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o. Ó ṣì máa ní láti padà sẹ́yìn. Rárá dúró. Ókè igi ni irin ni mo pé o. Ó yá, tó bá máa lọ. This place is even better.
Lauren, we're still where we got stuck. And Google Map.
Google Map in Nigeria is not reliable.
I'm telling you, OWU Waterfalls. Tell me, why this is saying 6 minutes?
Head southeast on Africa.Trip road, then
1.2
turn right.
kilometers. In actual fact, we are still what? 2 hours away. It is Google Map, or it is also.
It is Google Map.
Well, 2 more hours to go.
I don't do again.
We are still in the middle of nowhere.
Google Map kept on rerouting us. We were getting lost. And our priority at this point was just to find somebody that could lead us into the right direction. But in a few minutes, we came across some Olokadas.
Yes, sir. I got something to talk about. Oh, since that's GTT can because that's GTT.
Main road.
Main road.
I come along straight and yeah.
Tẹ̀lé yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ ká ṣe yẹn sà.
200 náà àbí ṣe bí ìdábẹ́ wá gbèrò náà. Ẹ bá manage ẹ jọ̀ọ́. A ti sọnù already. Ibi tá lọ ó sì jìnnà. Tó tún gbọ́.
Táàtì ní rí iná o. Oh boy. Oh, okay. Kò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ kan náà. Má gbàlẹ́ o. So this is gonna be our bike man. It's going to lead us through this wilderness that we don't know of. Ah, see this man with this. Go, hey, man, look, yo. Nigerians, man. Okay, to see control the gun. Alright. I don't know what road this is, but this actually looks way better in person. So we're in another town, city. We're in Idofia. Really?
What's wrong is that we put OWU Waterfalls into the map. Waterfalls with an S. Apparently it's without an S.
Hello, sir.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Good day, sir.
What time we put?
We don't have, we just have our luggage there, nothing. Okay. Hey, what's your name?
Bro, go.
Hey, auntie.
Auntie.
What do you know done you?
Kilo number.
Who better done you? Have a mask, you eating there?
See when you got what that kilo number. Kilo number to oruti baye.
Ọpẹlẹ náà, ẹ kúṣẹ́.
Ọlọ́run, bó wà ní?
Àwọn mẹ́ta yọ.
Mo lọ lọ.
Ayẹyẹ ti dé ṣé Kájọlá ló ń jẹ ni?
Ṣé support wa pẹ̀lú kíni? Táyà méjìlá ni. Táyà méjìlá ni báyìí.
Odidi ẹ̀yin ìjọba lẹ́yìn.
Àwọn là ń sọ́ọ̀tù ẹ̀ fúnra wa fẹ́ bó ṣe wà yẹn o. Táyà méjì là ní báyìí. Máléjì eléyìí àti ìtẹ̀yìn. Máléjì ló wà ń bẹ̀ wá.
Èmi gan ẹ wá wò láti àmì gan ti lá. Àjọ ń ti papọ̀ mọ́ra wọn ni.
Ọ̀tọ̀ àyín bẹ́tà jù wá lọ.
Báwo ni àyín níṣẹ́ mi ò níṣẹ́?
Aṣáàdùpẹ́ pé a níṣẹ́ dé.
Àlọ́ ẹ̀yin níṣẹ́ wo níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn kan ti mọ́ra wọn ni. Ẹni tó ń bá fún àlọ́ wa ń jẹ. Ẹ jẹ́ kó di gbàdá máa bọ̀ ẹ̀mí sí kò sí mọ́ọ̀tì yẹn báyìí.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo lò á lò bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó dà kó ṣe 3 naira. Ó ṣe 3 kí á lò bẹ́ẹ̀.
3 naira 3 kò.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ ìdí bílíọ̀nù ní sí kò sí mọ́ọ̀tì yẹn ní kò wá fún mi.
Ok tó bá wà ẹ̀.
Ọlọ́run kò sí nǹkan lẹ́yìn aláì. Àtànà ti dá dúró ní.
Ẹni tó bá wà á lò bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹni tó bá wà.
Honestly mi ò kúrò fún Ọlọ́run.
Àbí àǹtí yẹn lẹni kó máa.
Ẹ ṣe gẹ sá. Jẹ́jẹ́ ọ̀gá.
Ẹni kò sí ẹ̀bá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí nice.
Tó bá mọ̀nà ní ká tẹ̀lé tẹ́ka akọ́ọ̀dù ní kẹ́ ẹ̀ dìbò fún akọ́ọ̀dù party. Wọ́n gẹ̀ nígbà láti lè ra oúnjẹ ń bì. Ọ̀dà irú oúnjẹ nígbà. Táàkì. Níbi tí mo bá dé yìí. Ìfẹ́ jẹun. Ń jẹun. Àmàlà kẹ́rán kan. Àtọ̀bẹ̀ tíntín.
The best part of eating at this place was the portion of their food. The pounded yam was so huge. On a regular, I always eat 2 wraps. That's not negotiable. But this pounded yam was so big. So everything we ate here was 1,000 naira. 2 pounded yam. I think they said it at 200 naira per portion. Well, I swear, big enough.
Ọwọ́ kọ́kọ́ fọwọ́ jọ.
Kálukàlù lórúkọ mi o.
Kó bá yẹ tó máa fẹ́. Ṣé jàre? Yeah. Auntie, ẹ ṣé gan-an. Thank you.
So we finally just passed what Okeoniki, and we're about like 30 minutes away from OWU Waterfall, OWU itself. But this time, I'm going to show you on the right track.
I was thinking like a village, like a stack.
Green, like foresty.
Instead of continuing with the journey, we decided to find a place to stay for the night. It was getting dark. If we should continue, by the time we get to the fall, we won't have enough time to enjoy it.
That's
surprising.
The only place to find a lodge around here was back at Okeoniki. On our way, we found these two boys. We decided to give them a lift. And
no, no, but you get by you.
I want my mother to see what must do.
Yeah, I want it. I want it.
Wọ́n lè jókòó síwájú.